I am Lilly Browning. I'm the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program Coordinator for Hernando County Utilities. I'm out at the beautiful Chinsegut Conservation Center this morning because I've started inching my way back into in-person workshops. We had a beautiful morning out here under their pole barn in the beautiful wooded area, socially distanced, and we had a rain barrel workshop. This is a barrel that is very similar to the barrels that we offer in our rain barrel workshops. It comes pre-made as a barrel with recycled materials. It comes with a lid that has a screen on the lid as well. And you can attach the lid to the barrel with screws or with zip ties. Your barrel will include an overflow hose. And you have two options on either side of your barrel. You can punch out the cutout here and choose, I want my overflow to go on this side or the other side. And there's a clasp inside of the kit to attach that overflow hose. It also comes with a spigot that you attach to the hole of the rain barrel, and comes with, a washer, and then someone crawls inside and attaches the nut. And also comes with the 4 screws to attach the lid. It's really pretty simple. You do have to attend a rain barrel workshop in order to take a rain barrel home with you. They are $50. That is our bulk cost that Hernando County Utilities pays. If you are a customer of Hernando County Utilities, you will receive a credit of $25 for the first rain barrel that you buy on your water bill. You're welcome to purchase more rain barrels, but only one of them gets that credit. And I do need a person to attend each rain barrel workshop for each barrel that you take home. We hope to see you. We are having upcoming workshops. We will continue to have virtual workshops in the evening with a designated pickup time within a day or two after the virtual workshop. And we are also going to continue to meet here at beautiful Chinsegut outside in the pole barn for the next few months for these in-person outdoor classes. So the best way to find out all the information that you need about these classes is to email me. That's LillyB, L-I-L-L-Y, 2 L's in the middle, B, at hernandocounty.us, and I'll be glad to send you the information and get you on a registration list. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.